So you've heard your cakes are the best around, and friends have encouraged you to start a business and sell them. Can you even do that? How do you know where to start? Well, you can start with Alabama Extension. Discover more about cottage food laws and how you can get cooking. The cottage food law was passed in 2014 by the Alabama legislature to let people make certain foods in their home and sell them to the public.
So if you live inside of Alabama, you would have to get what is called a food safety certification for the Alabama cottage food law. Alabama Extension offers such a course where we can tell you the products that you can make, we can tell you where you can sell them, we can tell you where you have to make them, which is in your home kitchen. And we'll tell you how you can sell and distribute your product.
Alabama Extension has helped me tremendously. I had no idea what I was doing when I wanted to just sell cookies from my home, and they laid it out for me. The process, the information, the knowledge they gave me, they were able to help me change how I do business. They were able to help me know this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do.
When it comes to producing products in your home, there are certain things you can do and certain things you cannot do. When the law was revised, it allowed you to do baked goods, but you can also do jams and jellies, pickled products, you can even do fermented products. So there are a lot of things you can do in your home, and we want to make sure you do it correctly. We give you the ins and outs of the law, some basic food safety information, and because of some of the products that are being produced, some basic processing information. The Alabama Extension Cottage Food class gives you everything you need to know to be a cottage food producer.
For more information, visit Extension's website to find classes offered throughout the state.